Question number 8. A progression has first term a and second term is this one, where a is a positive constant. We are given a is a positive constant. For the case where the progression is geometric and sum to infinity is 264, find the value of a. Now we are given that this is a geometric progression with the first term as a, and the second term we are given t2 is a squared over a plus 2. As this is a geometric progression, so then the common ratio r will be given by t2 over t1, right? So t2 is a squared over a plus 2 divided by a, that will become, so this will be a squared over a plus 2. This is a over 1, that this will become 1 over a, right? So this a will be cancelled here, so this is a over a plus 2, right? Yeah, a over a plus 2, this is the common ratio. So now we are given S infinity is 264. So now the formula of S infinity is a over 1 minus r, that will be 264. So let's substitute this value from here. So a is the first term, this will remain as it is, over 1 minus r is a over a plus 2, right? So then we can simplify this. A over, here will be LCM, that is a plus 2 minus a over a plus 2. So this will be a over, this is going to be a plus 2 will come up over here, and then we will have here a plus 2 minus a. This a and a is cancelled, so this is going to be a into a plus 2 over 2. So this is the value of this S infinity, which is given to us equals to 264. So let me just rewrite this one. A into a plus 2 over 2 is equal to 264, right? So now from here, when you expand the bracket, a squared plus 2a, this 2 will come this side and I'm bringing it on left hand side. This is 528 equals to 0. So now this becomes a quadratic in a. So we can find out the value of a by factorization. A squared plus we have 2a. 2a, if you take the values here, 24a minus 22a, 528. So these are the factors here. So a plus 24, then minus 22 is common, a plus 24 equals to 0. So from here we have a plus 24, then a minus 22 equals to 0. So that gives us a as negative 24 and 22. So now we will reject this value. Why? Can you guess? This is rejected because we are given in the beginning that a is a positive constant. So from here, that means our value of a is 22. So we got the value of a, right? So that is the final answer. That was the question to find out the value of a, right? Now second part, for the case where the progression is arithmetic. Now the progression is arithmetic with a as 6. Now a is given as 6. So determine the least value of n required for the sum of first n terms to be less than negative 440. So let's go step by step. So we are given first term here is a as a 6, then a2 is with a6. Okay, we will take the value. We were given the first term, second term here, a square over a plus 2. So a2 is a square over a plus 2. Now we are given the value of a is 6, so let's substitute. This is 6 squared over 6 plus 2, 64 over 8, that is 8. So second term is 8, right? So now the common difference, as this is a arithmetic, we will find out the common difference. Common difference is second term minus the first term, so that is 4. Something wrong, yeah, sorry, here this is 64, not 64. 6 squared is 36, so 36 divided by 8 gives us 4.5, right? So a2 is 4.5 minus a1 is 6, so this is negative 1.5. So our common difference is negative 1.5. Okay, so for that, now what are we looking for? The sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms, now Sn is less than 440, right? So for that we are looking for the nth term. So now sum of the nth term formula is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t, and this is less than negative 480. We will go like that. So n we are looking for 2 times a is 6, which is, it will become 12, and then plus n minus 1, and common difference we have here negative 1.5, and this is less than negative 480. So let's simplify slowly. So this is n over 2. Inside we have 12 minus 1.5 n plus 1.5. This is less than negative 480. So this is n into this is 12 plus 1.5. This is 13.5 minus 1.5 n is less than negative 480 times 2. This 2 will be multiplied, so this becomes negative 960. So now we will be when we open this expand this bracket, we are going to get a quadratic again here. So this will become 13.5 n minus 1.5 n squared is less than negative 960. So this is 0. If I shift everything on other side, this will be 1.5 n squared minus 13.5 n minus 960. So if we write on other side here to make this 1.5 n squared minus 13.5 n minus 960, this will be greater than 0, right? And so now divide the whole equation by 1.5, because it's can be easily divided to make this equation simpler. So this will become 9n minus 640 is greater than 0. So we can use the quadratic formula, minus 9 plus minus b squared, which is 9 squared is 81, minus 4 times 1 times minus 640 over 2 times 1. Okay, so now here let's see. So this is 9 plus minus, so when you calculate this whole, just plug in the values. This is 2641 over 2. So from here, this is n, so we are getting the value. One value is 30.2, or another one we are getting negative 21 over 2. Just plug in the values directly. So now from here, n, actually this is greater than 0. You see the equation was greater than, so this is not going to equal actually, sorry. So this value is actually n is greater than 30.2. So we can't take this one because this is negative. Number of terms cannot be negative. So greater than 30.2 is going to be equals to 31. So n is going to be 31, greater than 30.2. So that's how we are going to get the value of n as 31 here, right?